to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be doing this invisible lock twist. Okay, that is what we'll be doing. I've had this hairstyle in my mind for the longest of time, and yeah, I finally get to clock it, just do it and let it be out of the way. And yes, I'll be using Brazilian wool, this particular one, so you can get that from your local beauty store, and I'll be using 5 of it. I've gone to wash my hair so that my scalp is neat, and then just begin this whole transformation. So make sure you stick around to find out how I achieved that on my relaxed hair. Yes, relaxed full hair. But if you want to see how this will go, make sure you stick to the end of the video. Also make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you've not done so already. Also make sure you click the like button if you like this video, and make sure you drop your comments in the comment section. Ask me questions about any of the tutorial bits or steps that you missed or you do not understand. I will explain more. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into the making of my hair. Also, I remember that I also need to show you I'll be using gel. Yes, if you know me well on this channel, I really do not like to use gel. I try to eliminate gel out of my braiding, but today I have no option. I have to use gel, so I'll be using this Kiama hair wax. I like it because of its black, that kind of thing, so that it will just blend with the hair. But this is what I'll be using. I wanted to use the one for dreads, like the molding gel, but I'm just like, I'm not trying to turn my hair to locks or anything, and I don't want something that will stay so long, so that's why I'm going with this. You can decide to use the molding gel, the one we use for dread. You can decide to use that or any hair wax of your choice, but this is what I'll be using. I will show you how I'll be achieving the length of this Brazilian wool. So yes, I want a length. I'm going for length with this style. Probably, yeah, I really want length with this look, so I just try and measure to see where it will get to, and this is what we have. And of course, because I want length, okay, so I know that if I turn this like this, we are good. So this is the length that I need, guys. Look at it, this is the length that I need. So
you want to get a chair or a door or something you can use to hook the Brazilian wool, and then you tie it at the end. You also, before you tie it at the end, make sure that it's the length that you want to actually work with. Then you just begin to just weave it in, as you can see, just like I can see. After which you're done, you take your scissors and then you cut it off, and then here it is. Here is the length, and yeah, I'm just showing you what it looks like.
For each of the braid, of the braiding section, how many do you want it? You can make it as thin as possible, as fat as you want it, but again, I do not like those bulky hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count 10 of these pieces. These things, you can count them, so I'm going to count 10. This is 10 of it. Now I'm now going to check if this is going to give me the desired sizing of what I want. So just looking at this texture, so this is what I'm getting with 10. Now this would have been okay, but because I know the sizing, the pattern of each braiding strand is going to be big, so I know this won't be adequate for how I want to part the hair. So I'm going to add 10 more. If I had 10 more to this, now let's see the size. Let me do a sample. So guys, look at the sizing that I got with this. This is 20 pieces of the Brazilian wool, and I like it this big. I like the sizing of this, so I'll be using 20 of the strands. Okay, you can decide to use more, you can decide to use less. It's just depending on how big you are parting the braids and how you want your braids and your twist to look in the end.
To begin, you want to section your head into equal parts. This sort of helps you to be able to see and gauge your hair, especially when you're doing your hair by yourself, so that everything can be equal and you can see the back of the hair that you're working with. So I go up and just pack it away, and I begin with the down section. Now, because I knew I was doing big sectioning, okay, you can do your own small sectioning, but again, I wanted big sectioning for this style.
Alright guys, this is what we have. Okay, if this line is not looking so neat, not to worry, this is the first this is the back end. Nobody's gonna see it. You're not gonna see it. You'll be focused on like the middle, the front, and whatnot. So first things first, I'm just going to apply my gel. For the body of my hair, I like moisturizing my hair, so I'm going to grab my hair cream and just use that to moisturize my hair. I just like to moisturize my hair when I am doing a protective style. So yeah, I do not apply gel to the body of my hair. I'm not here for it. So this is what we have. Then I'll go ahead, and then you guys please just stay with me. I go ahead and then I divide this, each section I divide it into two. You want to make sure it's like equal parts. Once it's divided into two, I go ahead to apply gel to sort of separate them as well. Okay, so focus on this, and then I begin to twist this in this manner. Okay, when I twist this in this manner, I'm going to take this to hold it. Then for this side of things, apply the gel. Then I will twist it away. Okay, away, just like this. This one was twisted this way, this one was twisted this way. So once that is done, I'll then get my hair. Okay, so we are doing the twist from the roots. Okay, I'm not braiding at all. So this is what I'm going to do. Just take this out. You guys, just, I believe you can see what I'm doing. So I'll just attach this as such, holding it. Now remember, they were all twisted like this. Okay, I can even just go ahead and do, twist the hair, twist my own hair into the strand, into the Brazilian wool in the direction I initially twisted them. Then I then go ahead and start twisting it like this. Yes, and I also make sure I twist it as tight as possible, but not too tight. Okay, not too tight. Not so much tension. I can actually feel the tension, but anyways, we go ahead and we begin to twist. Also, if you see your hair would be showing, you also want to go ahead and just maybe put your hair in between so that your hair doesn't get to show. Okay, this one, this side covered good. Then I begin to twist and then just twist. You can make your twist as tight as possible or as loose as you would want it to be. If you guys need like a tutorial of how to twist your hair, let me know. I'll probably do another video on that. But yeah, doing this style, you need to know how to twist. Guys, you need to know how to twist. How do I end it? Let's take a piece and I tie it up. I just take a piece and then I tie it off. Yeah, and that's what we have. Just loose twist. Now I'm looking at it loose and I feel I should make it as tight as possible. So I'm gonna lose it and just make it tight again. And I love it. I love what I am seeing right now. But that's not even the thing is this. So guys, I'm going to do the second part of the hair so you see what exactly cause.
Alright, let me explain again how to go about it. Now, when you partition your hair and this is the size you're working with, you also want to divide it into two, then apply your gel on it. Now, you want to twist it in both twists going opposite side. That's twisting your own hair, just as you can see what I'm doing. You can even use clip to hold down one section of the hair when you have twisted it, okay? And once that is done, you now get your wool, or if you want to use, you know, braided extension, anything, then just look at how I twisted the strand. Then my hair, knowing the direction I twisted the left side, I just then weave it around the Brazilian wool to that left side. Then the piece that goes to the right side, I weave it around the Brazilian wool to go right. Then I begin to twist them the opposite way. Yes, if you know how to twist, you know how this go. Then you then begin to twist it the opposite way so that you get your twist. And here is what we have, guys. This is it. And then at the end piece, you just take like one long piece and then just knot it so that it will not get too loose, okay? They'll still, you know, we'll still add some other finishing to it, but yeah, it is, guys. I just replicated again and just showed you how I did like this first one. Now take a proper look and look at this and see how I did it, okay? Roll it to the right, roll it to the left, take the braiding wool, wrap your hair around the braiding, the wool itself. Just look at how I'm doing it. The one that I moved to the front side, like to the right, moved it to the right. The one to the back, I weave this along with the Brazilian wool to the right, and then you just twist it. Now that's it. It's as simple as ABC, and this is how you get your invisible locks, guys. This is just it. Just look at that beauty. Is how the final look of all the hair looks like. Yes, guys, okay, I love it. You guys, you can decide to even do smaller section, okay? Now I'm just going to show you how I also like end each strands of the Brazilian wool. I just cut them, trim them, and use fire to burn the end and all, and then just use my hand to mark them so like they are all like in good shape. I can also use the fire to like trim it. And yes, guys, this is the look, okay? Just look at this, babe. Come on. Oh, it's a babe. I love it.
And this is the end look of this hairstyle. Guys, let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. If you'll be trying it, let me know. If you have questions about this hairstyle, the tutorial, maybe you didn't get a part, leave the question in the comment section and I would actually attend to it. But yes, guys, this is the look and I am feeling myself. I'm so gassed. Yeah, I will definitely, you know, style it, rock it in different way. I'm so happy I finally like get to do this style. So let me know what you think in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Make sure to click the like button of this video. You know, it just shows you do enjoy the video, you do like this video, and also make sure you share it with your loved ones and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next one. Let me know if you have any hairstyle you want me to try or show you a tutorial of how to achieve it. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.